How to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. What is up everybody? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn off or disable the end-to-end encryption on Facebook Messenger app. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you want to do is open up your Messenger app. And as you guys know, since the recent update, Messenger has automatically turned on the end-to-end encrypted chat. So if you want to turn this off, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings icon on your Messenger. And then from here, all you need to do is scroll down a bit. And then here, head over to privacy and safety. And once you get here, you'll see the end-to-end encrypted chats option. Just tap on this one and then click on manage storage. So if you have turned on the secure storage, all of your end-to-end encrypted chats will be stored here. So all you have to do is turn off your secure storage and your end-to-end encrypted messages, they won't be backed up remotely. So click on continue. Now, if you want, you can also delete the previous chats from here. And after you do that, your end-to-end encrypted chats or end-to-end encryption will be turned off. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.